Today, we're making a cold potato salad. First, wash and peel the potatoes. Then, slice them into thin pieces about 2 millimeters thick. Rinse the potato slices in water to remove the surface starch and prevent them from sticking. Mince some garlic after crushing it. Mince some scallions. Add some chili powder. You can skip this step if you don't like spicy food. Now, bring water to a boil. After draining, add the potato slices to the boiling water and blanch for about 30 seconds. Remove the potato slices from the water when they become translucent. Then, quickly transfer them to cold water to cool them down. Heat some oil in a pan. Heat it until it starts to smoke. Pour the hot oil over the scallions, garlic, and chili powder. This will bring out the aroma. Then, add soy sauce and rice vinegar. Add more vinegar if you like it sour. Add a little salt and chicken powder. Drain the potato slices and transfer them to a bowl. Mix the potato slices with the sauce and serve. It's crispy, refreshing, and spicy. The cold potato salad is done. Subscribe to me. There's always a dish you'll love.